ship. I mean, it looks pretty realistic. You know what I mean? We're done?
We're done? We can't be done. Interesting. Is that it? We're doomed? Is there somebody in there? Ooh, let's touch this. Not another one. We walk into like 8 hooks and I'm gonna laugh. Hi, how you doing? But you have a lot of fun in your job. Place with the Ferris wheel right there, huh? Very, very crowded this weekend. Lots of people.